everyone, today I want to go through cleaning my tufted sofa or button style sofa. I just want to see what's lacking underneath the buttons. Sofa might look clean, but let's see what's lacking underneath these buttons. Just lift the buttons up slightly with your fingernail just to have a look and see. Oh, yes, what's lacking in there? Breadcrumbs, rice, and see how we can get this cleaned. This is quite deceiving because looking at it you might think, oh, that looks clean, but dig a little deeper and there lies the surprise. Okay, so just going to try and get this cleaned off. Just hoover it up. You can do this as once a week or once every 2 weeks. As you hoover your house, you just try and hoover the sofa as well, because if this is left for a very long time, then I bet you'll have a lot of germs hiding in there. Okay, let's get to it. Right, let's just go through and check the results, see if the hoovers picked up everything. That was quite bad earlier. As you can see, that's picked up a lot of the dirt that was lacking underneath. Right, so this is something that you can do once a week if you're hoovering the rest of the house. Just try and lift up the buttons of your tufted sofa or chair or button back style chair, and keep on top of those breadcrumbs in there. So as you can see, looking a little bit better. And see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then like it, share and subscribe for more content. Bye.